Hey traders, this is Mike Sir here. Welcome back to my channel. For many cryptocurrency enthusiasts who have held on to Bitcoin for the past 5-10 years, or even those who just started investing in Bitcoin last year, you've all made a lot of money as the Bitcoin price just recently hit another all-time high of $67,000 USD. Now, I'm not a big crypto trader, but I've been fortunate to participate in Bitcoin's recent price move, and in this video, I'm going to give you my chart analysis of Bitcoin and other popular cryptocurrencies. Most importantly, I'm going to share my secret trading strategy to trading Bitcoin. So let's get started. Before I share the secret to trading Bitcoin with all of you, I want you guys to do 3 things. First of all, smash that like button right now. Second, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And lastly, I want you to promise me not to tell anyone about the secret trading strategy because it's worth a lot of money and I'm only going to share it with my most loyal subscribers. Okay, have you done all these 3 things yet? Now let me share with you the secret to trading Bitcoin. My secret trading strategy is buy low and sell high. Now if you already know the strategy and practice it every day, then congratulations. But in all seriousness, most Bitcoin traders or investors do the opposite. They buy high and sell low. So let me show you a few examples. So I'm going to show you a chart of Bitcoin from 2013 to 2021. And I'm going to show you the strategy of buy low and sell high has worked very, very well for Bitcoin traders or investors. So first of all, let's talk about Bitcoin right here where it initially, when mainstream media first of all got hold of Bitcoin, is that it skyrocketed all the way up to about $200 here, and then it fell back very, very sharply, and this was actually a good time to buy Bitcoin. And then you can see Bitcoin essentially went parabolic, went all the way up here to over $1,000 or $1,200. So this was a good time to sell, right? Sell high. So especially when it goes parabolic. Then it fell very, very sharply, and then actually was not doing anything. It was actually going sideways around $200 USD for the longest time. And then when it started going up, it didn't go up very, very sharply, just very steady. And then when it went parabolic, essentially went, if you're looking to buy here around $200 USD, went parabolic right here. It went as high as $3,000, and then it collapsed very, very quickly all the way down to about $1,700, so almost 50%. So this was again another good opportunity to buy, especially when you see any big parabolic and any big drop. And then you can see right here it went sharply up again. Now let's just say that you missed out on that and you're looking for the pullback, right? So let's just say you bought here, right? You could buy here, you could buy here, or you could even bought here, and then it went parabolic. Right, this is where in late 2017, Bitcoin hit a price of over almost $20,000. So again, sell high, right? Buy low here, sell high, wait for that parabolic, and then wait for the collapse, right? It collapsed actually very, very sharply all the way down to about 3,000 in early 2019. Stayed there for a while. Right, then it started going parabolic again, right? Then it actually went as high as 13,000. Then it sold off very, very sharply and actually hit a low at the peak of the pandemic in March 2020, around $3,000, $4,000, right? So this is again another time to buy low, and then it didn't really go up too much, right? I mean, here's a little sharp, but pretty steady. And then again, what you wanted to see, you want to see parabolic, right? So again, went from about 3,000, 4,000 USD all the way down, or all the way up to about 42,000, and then it dropped, right? But then it kept rising and also actually hit a high of almost $64,000 USD. So again, sell high, then wait for the collapse. Again, going sideways here just recently, hit a low of about 29,000, 30,000, stayed there for a bit. And then now we actually went as high as 67,000, and currently right now We're trading around a little bit above 60,000. So we can see buy low, sell high works very, very well for Bitcoin. So let me do a short-term chart analysis of Bitcoin for you guys. So first of all, what we want to look at is, let's look at the RSI. The RSI right now is about 58. It actually reached almost 80 here when it hit a high of 67,000, and it's actually starting to go down now. So 58 is not too high in terms of overbought territory. One thing that's concerned the MACD, you can see that actually it is now in the negative momentum area and actually is increasing downward momentum. So that's a concern for Bitcoin. And also you can see here it actually broke the previous highs of Bitcoin around 64,000. It actually reached a high of 67,000. Could not stay above the all-time highs, which is 64,000. And right now it's basically stabilizing right below or right above 60,000. I drew this trend line here extending out. The levels of support that I see for Bitcoin, if it does break 60,000, is it's going to reach about here, which is around 53,000. If that breaks, most likely it's going to test this trend line here, depending on where it is. I assume probably it's going to touch around here, which is around 48,000. If that breaks, the next support level is probably the previous one, or previous support level before it went on this huge move here, is around $40,000. So if you were to ask me short-term wise whether Bitcoin's going to go higher or lower, based on the technicals, it looks like the probability is heading lower. The second cryptocurrency chart that I'm going to take a look at is Ethereum. So this is Ethereum versus USD, and again, let's just take a look at the RSI first. Right now it's around 64, so a little bit overbought. If you look at the MACD, the momentum is still positive. However, the positive momentum is actually decreasing, so that's a bit of a concern, but it's not hitting negative momentum yet. Now, if you look at the price chart, it actually tested the all-time high, which is around $4,300, and basically it is stuck sideways right now. The key levels I'm watching is the whole number 4,000. If that breaks, the next target will probably be around 3,600, and this trend line here is again extended out. Most likely at some point it might test this trend line here. So again, if you were to ask me what the price forecast for Ethereum is, it is acting stronger than Bitcoin, and it looks like it's basically going sideways. But again, watch those levels. If those levels break, then you'll probably see Ethereum follow Bitcoin. The last cryptocurrency chart that I'm going to take a look at is Cardano. This is also versus the US dollar. And again, let's start off with the indicator. RSI essentially just basically going nowhere, so it's neither overbought or oversold. Same thing with the MACD. It's positive momentum, but it's not really going anywhere. And again, you can see the chart, right? The price is not moving at all, right? You can see basically just going sideways. It hit an all-time high of $3. It's a little bit further away from that. And it looks like Cardano hasn't been following Bitcoin or Ethereum in terms of the price movement up. But essentially, you can see here, it's basically trading between $2 and $2.50. So nothing really moving in terms of Cardano right now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to watch other videos where I show you all the tools that I use on a daily basis to analyze the financial markets, please click on the left for more videos and click on the right for the full playlist. I'll see you in the next video.